Well, we got her all up and ready to roll, so time to head on home and get some other work done around the shop. See you guys on the other side. Alright everybody, so what we've got going on tonight is we've got a 304 stainless part, and there's a little bit of a nick that was taken out of the corner of it, so I'm going to fill it in with some makeshift 304 stainless wire here. And the wire is actually a helicoil, like a thread insert. So hopefully this works. I've never tried it before. I didn't have any stainless rod on hand. This is already a scrap part, so kind of a test piece just for the hell of it. I haven't TIG welded in a little while, so we'll see if we can get the hang of it real quick here. See if we can build up this edge and get it all looking pretty. This is a Hobart 150 STI. It's a lift arc 110 volt TIG welder, and does a pretty good job. It's just got the finger control. I haven't bought the foot pedal for it yet, but got 100% argon. I've got her set at about 120 amps, so we'll see how that works. Let's get to it, I guess. So far that doesn't look too bad. I think I'm gonna flip her over, maybe see if I need to come from the other angle here. That's a little warm. Let's see how it looks on this end here. That's actually not too bad. That might pass. We'll give it a little bit more in the middle here just to make sure that I've got no big gaps when I go back to mill this all up. Mill this all flat. Sorry, my hood fell. Get plenty of post flow on there, make sure it cools down nice. And it's a little more buildup than I'd like to have on there, but hopefully it should all mill down pretty smooth. So I'll get some pictures of it tomorrow after I go and clean it all up and see how it goes. See you later.